what challenges do companies that require a custom software solution generally face, and how do you solve the solutions for them or solve the problems for them?
Yeah, I suppose like one of the things in 20 years you learn a lot about um, developing applications, and you learn a lot about people. And like one of the fundamental challenges that we have seen for many years is that clients really don't know what they want. And what I mean by that is they have an idea of what they want, and um, but getting them to articulate that, sufficiently to allow you to deliver what they need can be challenging, and everyone's in a hurry, and some people expect you to be clairvoyant, they expect you to be a mind reader and understand exactly what you want. And it all starts off with the scope document, I mean, where you put down on paper what they're, where they are, where they, where they're going or where they want to go. And then you have to figure out, well, how are you going to get them from where they are to where they want to be? And the more time and effort you put into that scope document, then the more the closer you are going to be to where the client needs to be. And so, but in a lot of cases, like clients don't put enough time into that. I mean, again, they're depending on you, and you can do, yes, we as a software provider can do, a lot of that heavy lifting, but at the end of the day, we need the clients to articulate what they want, and if they don't do that correctly, it will fail. Absolutely, it will fail, or it'll not only fail, or if it doesn't fail, it's going to cost them a lot of money because of the mistakes that are made. And then it results in the breakdown of relationship between the developer and the customer. And, that's why projects fail. You have, project definition, requirements are critical to the success of any project, and if they're not done properly, project creep comes in. So, something is identified that wasn't articulated, and, I call it the banana in the corner. I mean, you go and show the client the solution, and they say, "Listen, that looks great. Yeah, everything. Yeah, looks great on track. Yeah, it's on track, and very excited and all that. Yeah, but where's the banana in the corner?" And you say, "Sorry, what banana in the corner?" So it turns out that there's this thing that they had in their mind that they didn't articulate, and it's not in the scope document. So now you have project creep, and now you have additional costs. So that's the type of thing that can cause major problems with any software development project. Poor management, assigning the wrong person to manage the project, because remember, these people have daily jobs, other jobs that need to be done, and this can be a chore that is put on them. And if they're not given sufficient time and support and resources in order to execute their end of, of the project management, that leads to failure. Aggressive timelines, and people wanting the solution as fast as possible. Everybody wants it as fast as possible, but if you put too much pressure on the development team and the proper budgets aren't in place, that can lead to failed projects. So, like right across the spectrum, there's many things that can contribute to the failure of a software development project. And like coming back to one of your questions there earlier on, what have we done in order to address this particular, or not these particular problems, and like we understand as a development company that customers don't know everything. Like they can't know everything. It's not their business. But then we can't know everything either. And so you do a gap analysis. You try and fill the gaps with the customer to help them think about the things that they need to think. And like one of the things that so we approach this from like one of the biggest challenges you have in a software project is where you've project managed the project up to a certain point in time, and then you come to the point where the customer either wants changes, or they've identified features that were never part of the scope document. And this is where significant costs and time are incurred. And this is where they can lead to the breakdown in a relationship. So our approach is like, I mean, we've developed an application platform called Team Connect. And what Team Connect is it's a no-code rapid application development platform. And it has excuse me, and Team Connect has some significant features that allow us to address the problems that can manifest themselves in these projects. Number one is because it's a no-code rapid application development platform, and we don't require code to develop solutions for customers. It allows us to develop solutions very, very fast. In fact, we can nearly show a client a solution, in days, to give them an idea of what it is that, or how their application or how the solution is going to look. And that is very, very significant, because it's only when the client sees the application do they realize maybe that it's not really what they had in mind, or that it is what they had in mind, and, can they have something additional? And the Team Connect platform allows us then to make changes very, very fast and add features and add, processes to the solution, which can be done at very low cost in a very, efficient manner. And so you're ticking the boxes, or you're avoiding a lot of the pitfalls that I would have articulated earlier, in where, you're able to deliver the solution that the client wants in a much quicker timeline at a much lower price point, and maintain goodwill, and relationships with the customer, and build on that moving forward. And we've done that with many, many clients using the Team Connect platform.